In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can change background colors or related theming in modern SharePoint, the online version. If you've been looking for a way to customize the look of your SharePoint site, you've come to the right place. Let's walk through the process together so that you can make the most out of the built-in options available. Modern SharePoint sites provide quite a few built-in theming and styling options that allow you to personalize your experience. This includes the ability to adjust the colors and backgrounds of various elements via the Change the Look settings. With these settings, you have control over site theme colors, the backgrounds of sections on pages or news, and even the header layout. First things first, you'll want to go to your SharePoint site. Once there, locate the settings icon, which looks like a little gear, in the top right corner of the page. Give that a click, and you will see several options pop up. From this menu, you should select Change the Look. This is where all the magic happens. After clicking Change the Look, a panel will appear, offering you different options on how you can modify your site's appearance. What we're interested in right now is the Theme option in this panel. Go ahead and click on Theme, and you'll be presented with several default themes to choose from. Each of these themes changes the main and accent colors of your site, offering a quick way to refresh the visual appeal. If none of the default themes catch your fancy, or if you wish to fine-tune the details, you might have the option to click Customize. This allows you to adjust the main and accent colors to your personal preference, ensuring that your site aligns with your specific vision or branding needs. For those of you who are working on a page, there's an additional layer of customization you can explore. For each section you're editing, you have the ability to set the background. This could be a solid color, a gradient, or even an image that aligns with the theme you're going for. To do this, simply go to the section settings while editing a page, and you'll find those background options waiting for you. Once you've made all your selections and are satisfied with the new look, don't forget the crucial step. Save and apply your changes. This final step is what ensures that all your customizations take effect. Just take a moment to review everything, and if it looks just the way you want, hit that Save button. And there you have it. A refreshed and customized SharePoint site that now resonates with your style or company branding. With these changes, you've given your site a personal touch that can make a world of difference for both its appearance and functionality. Happy customizing?